Chapter 7: Cybersecurity and Cybercrime. Central idea: cybersecurity and cybercrimes. Social media and its misuse. Brief description about cyberstalking, phishing, hacking, cyberbullying. Virus and its removal. Types of cybercrime. Risk of social media. Safe use of Internet. Introduction. Internet is one of the fastest growing areas of technical infrastructure development. As per the latest research, 51% of world's population is on Internet. Today, more than 80% of total commercial transactions are done online. So, this field required a high quality of security for transparent and safe transactions. A large number of cyber attacks are happening today, leading to higher damages to companies, government, and individuals. Cybersecurity plays an important role in the development of information technology as well as internet services. It is important to think before you share. We always hear that sharing is a good thing. Thanks to technology, we can share now our text, ideas, images, videos with our friends and other people. Most of the time, sharing is good. But if we are not thoughtful about how we share, we run the risk of hurting ourselves or someone else. One thing you should always remember is that the things you share with your friends can end up being shared with others. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is a criminal activity that involves a computer and the internet. This includes downloading illegal music files, fraud, identifying theft, and cyberstalking. Cybercriminals follow a number of techniques in order to acquire your email IDs, credit card numbers, bank account numbers, and passwords, which are then misused by them. These kind of scams are known as phishing. Types of cybercrime. Cybercrime can be categorized into two. 1. Crimes in which the computer is the target, like hacking, virus attacks, etc. 2. When the computer is used as a weapon, like fraud of credit card, pornography, crimes against children, etc. Social media. Social media is creating a world that allows you to interact with each other and enabling you to share the most important parts of your life with families, friends, and communities. Social media includes popular networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram. Misuse of social media. Children may use bad words for each other, abusive, threatening. They form a group of target as individual, bullying. They make confession pages and motivate others to write on it and then misuse it. They even don't mind writing about their mentors. Social networking. Social networking have a huge amount of users who are known as well as unknown to you, and so it comes with a huge degree of risk, including the risk of being a target for cybercrimes. Some of the risks include sharing of private information by either yourself or by friends, contacts, bullying, cyberstalking, child abuse, encountering comments that are violent, sexual, or racist in nature, or offensive activities, people trying to harass you, phishing emails received from social networking sites but actually encouraging you to visit fraudulent or inappropriate websites, people hacking your account or page. Viruses or spyware contained within message attachments or photographs. You or a family member posting that you are away or going away on holiday and therefore advertising that your home is empty, leaving the way open for crimes. Cyberstalking. Cyberstalking is defined as the use of technology, particularly the internet, to harass someone. Cyberstalking includes monitoring, threats, identity theft, exploitation of minors, etc. Phishing. Phishing is a way that allows criminals to get access to your information, like usernames or passwords. Hacker. Hackers are intelligent programmers who breaks into our computer systems in order to steal, change or destroy information without informing us. Virus. Virus is maliciously program that is used to destroy data or hurt the performance of the computer. It makes copies by itself and sends it to other people. Viruses are often delivered to a PC through an email attachment and are often designed to do harm. Antivirus software is a type of utility used for scanning and removing viruses from your computer. There are many antivirus software available in the market to protect your system from virus attack or malicious threats. Some of the popular antivirus software are Quick Heal, Norton Antivirus, Kaspersky Internet Security, AVG, McAfee Antivirus, Panda Antivirus. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment is a form of harassing someone online by sending or posting unwanted messages. Cybersecurity. Computer security, also known as cybersecurity or IT security, is the protection of computer systems from the theft or damage to the hardware, software, or information. Prevention measures help you to stop unauthorized users from accessing any part of your computer system. Detection helps you to determine whether or not someone attempted to break into your system. Measures taken to protect a computer or computer system, as on the internet, against unauthorized access or attack are: be cautious where you are logging in on the computer. Don't respond to inappropriate messages or emails. Use strong passwords by adding letters, numbers, and special characters. Keep your profile closed and allow only your friends to view your profile. Do not say anything or publish pictures that might later cause you or someone else embarrassment. Never post comments that are abusive or may cause offense to either individuals or a group of society. Be aware of what friends post about you or reply to your posts, particularly about your personal details and activities. Don't post your holiday dates or family photos while you are away, as social networking sites are a favorite research tool for modern criminals. Do not give out identifying information such as name, home address, school name, or telephone number to anyone you do not know on the web. Never arrange a face-to-face meeting on the social networking without informing your parent or guardian. Don't believe everything you read or see online. Don't download files or software without your parents' permission. Don't use adult sites. When logging into any site On a friend's computer, never save the password information on their browser. When sending confidential information over the internet, such as usernames, passwords, or credit card numbers, only send it securely. To verify this, look for a small lock in the upper right corner of your browser window or next to the address bar. If visible, this lock should also be in the locked position and not unlocked. Protect your computer from viruses by installing an antivirus program on the computer.